By this point, we've all heard of the AI that is ChatGPT. But now, Microsoft is integrating the technology into its Edge browser with a new Bing sidebar. We'll cover why this feature is such a huge step forward for Microsoft as we sit down and sync up with Rocket IT's weekly technology update. Hello everyone, I'm Chris Swinson, Technology Insider here at Rocket IT, and welcome to Sync Up, your new home for trending technology news. Recently, Microsoft announced that it had started rolling out a new Bing AI chatbot inside of its Edge browser. While the preview is still in early access, it is available for both Windows and macOS. With the Edge browser open, you'll notice a new Bing icon in the top right corner of the window. Hovering or clicking that button activates the new AI. Once open, signing into your Microsoft account will grant you access to both an AI chat room and a Compose tab. Now each of these tabs does something completely different, so let's talk about each of them separately for a moment. First, in reference to the Compose tab, think of this as your standard content-based AI experience. You submit a request for text to be written, and Microsoft's AI responds with a solution. In practical use cases, this could allow you to create social media captions, meeting agendas, and website copy without ever leaving your current web page view. On the other hand, the Chat tab serves a different function. Rather than writing general text, the Chat tab provides assistance pertaining to the web page you're currently browsing. For example, if you don't understand a topic presented in an article you're reading, you can simply ask Bing's chatbot to elaborate on the text. Additionally, this tab can be used to summarize information, compare items when shopping, and create emails based on the current page you're viewing. As you can probably already tell, this feature is sure to shake up how people will search the web in the future. And while it may take some time for people to adopt these new practices, it wouldn't be surprising if we start to move away from the standard search engine that Google helped pioneer. Also, keep in mind that this is just the beginning of Microsoft's AI initiatives, and it's likely to incorporate the technology in new ways soon. For example, last week Microsoft also unveiled what it's calling a Copilot for Microsoft 365. By integrating AI into its suite of Office applications, Microsoft aims to improve the productivity and creativity of people that use its software. That said, to gain access to these technologies when they fully launch, it's likely that you'll need to be on one of Microsoft 365's enterprise-level plans. For help selecting and deploying one of these many licensing plans Microsoft has available, contact Rocket IT using the link in this video's description. And to stay up to date on trending technology news, hit that subscribe button and the bell to catch us on next week's episode of Sync Up with Rocket IT.